it do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do me that way?